Okay, good day, guys. This is gonna good day, guys. This is gonna be my first YouTube video, so bear with me. However it may be, I just kind of like wanted. I've been pushing, postponing when to start, but it's about time. I want to like share my journey, my hustle, and try to build a community. I'm still young, 18 years old, trying to build a future for myself and my fam. Let's get into the chat, shall we? So basically today, what I want to show you guys is my analysis I did for the day. Okay, these I don't trade based on indicators. What's this? The only indicators I use are session based indicators, and I already kind of know the time, so I should like take it down, but it's just there. This is an indicator that shows me London session and the New York session basically. So okay, on the daily, this is stop the analysis first. Stop the analysis. On the daily overall, we're looking bearish because market broke through this lower low. Then now it kind of like made a lower high, and I'm looking at it to like push down to create another lower low. But that's just speculation on where price could move from now. On the 4-hour, we are also bearish. Since markets made this equal high, we've been bearish. This equal high, we've been bearish. So came down here, made a low, made a lower high, equal low, equal high. It kind of like ranged. It was ranging here, higher low, lower high, lower low. Then it came here, made a lower high, came here, made an higher low. Once had it been made an higher high now, okay, we looked at okay, a change of character has occurred, but instead it made an equal high. So there's a chance, or there's a chance the market could like fall, and the daily is also bearish since we got a change of character there. If we remember, around this point also, market gave an equal high on the far. That was what started this whole good pulling down stuff. Though today I did hit S7, that will explain the reason for that. Okay, so let's go down to the 1 minute. So overall, I trade from the higher time frame and try to like get my entries from there. So let's go to the 1 minute. When you look at things from the higher time frame, you have more clear direction. So basically on the 1 market is bullish. So this is still top down analysis. I'm gonna like share the reason why I took a sell. Market gave change of character and has been making consecutive break of structure. So now, but on the daily on the 4 is bearish, but here on the 1 hour, market is looking bullish, but keep that in mind. So like on the 1 hour, one would be looking for market to make another high above this high, and if it did, it would also invalidate the equal high on the 4 hour, meaning market had made a new high. So I was also looking at that market could change because of the 1 hour and the 4 hour correct. That's basically where we trade from. The dailies, we can't really take trades from the daily. We just kind of like go there to see what market is doing overall. So if market made a new high, it would have corrected in both the 4 hour and the hourly. So before, I was still kind of in the middle, looking to both buy and looking to either buy or sell because I wasn't sure yet. Then I went down to the 15 minutes, but like since on the 4, this zone seemed to be building, I was looking at okay, we could sell, but like I wanted the 1 hour to align with it. So when I went out to the 15 minutes, I saw this. This was what the market was doing. On the 15 minutes, started ranging, making higher low, equal low, equal low, equal high. Then it gave a change of character on the 15 minutes. Since the daily and the 4-hour is bearish, it's doing this. It's already kind of like okay, but like the 1 hour there to align, but like from the 4-hour we can come down to the 15 minutes to get entry. So then I drew my fib all the way down to this level. I was looking for market to retrace that, like if market is to cross the 50 fib level, I can, then I set my alert and I was like, if market is to cross the 50 fib level, I'm gonna start looking for entries. Then I would also like to see market come to this other block, but then market did exactly just that, but I didn't take entry. Why? Because the 1 hour adhered to align. Market came into this other block. This is where my entry should have been from. So I did. This is where my entry should have been from. From market tapping into this OB right here. This is where my entry should have been. Then my SL will be just here, directly above it, and I'll target the recent low in the market. I could target I was looking at targeting here, or like hold for here, but like this was kind of like the main target at first. It's a nice 1:5 from here at that time, but I didn't take it. My fuck-up is I'm still learning, still building, still growing. I tried a prop account, by the way, still in zone account I just got recently, still in phase 1. So I didn't take it because of like the 1 hour didn't align, and I just wanted to see more. Then market gave me the more I wanted to see. Right here we go, a change of character. Then markets pulled back into it, but mine into it. Yeah, market pulled back into it. So I got an entry at this fair value gap here, but I don't just enter off fair value gap. I mark it as potential POI, other blocks also. When market got here, I went down to the 1 minute and checked for a change of character, because like I already knew, I was like market was gonna sell. So on the 1 minute, I got this change of character indicating a push to the downside. First market made an equal high, then it gave a change of character, and I kind of like I had a good entry. I sold from here, then I put my SL just above the other block. But mind you, my main entry should have been from here, and SL should have been here, but like because I wasn't sure and I wanted the 1 hour to align, I just kind of like hesitated and waited, and this happened. SL it. If it had been for my initial entry, by now I would be in the little profit. Before my SL, market printed gave me like a 1:1. I was looking at farmer, and I couldn't sell break even because my rule is before I sell break, the market has to move significantly in my direction, at least 1 to 2, because I risk about 1%, 1.5% max. Market has to move at least 1 to 2. Like 1.5% is my daily loss limit I set for myself. It's something I said recently after breaking my rules and all that. But like basically 1% is my max per trade. 1.5, sorry, is my max in a day on any position. And yeah, this would have been the best entry, but I didn't take it. And on the secondary entry I took market, it's my SL. So yeah, this is basically my first time. I just wanted to share my analysis. It's all going to be about transparency. Yeah, at the moment on my prop account I'm in drawdown, though hoping to come out of it. And this week I broke my rules, like my max loss limit. Let me show you guys my rules, because I have my rules right here. I have my rules as my wallpaper. I'm coming. Probably because my phone's in do not disturb. So let me see, let me remove it from D&D and see if it's gonna, okay, yeah. So basically I broke my second rule yesterday. I revenge traded. I was right in the end, but like I lost 4% in a single day, and I was already like just 1% in drawdown. That spiraled me into 5% in drawdown. Plus today overall I lost 1.5 on this trade. And basically I'm kind of like 6 points, I think 6% down, but I've reflected, I've journaled. I'm going to be back on track and just make things. So yeah, would love you guys to support and follow me. This is my I know this is not up to standard based on videos and things, but like it's my first time. I just want to like start. It's gonna be better. I'm gonna be showing my face, making more analysis. I'm gonna be posting my day-to-day analysis. Every analysis I do every day, I would do analysis of before and after, before I take the trade and after I take the trade. And I'm also gonna be showing my live P&L starting next week on my prop account. So yeah, let's go. The goal is to become profitable and consistent, and would appreciate the support. So hit the like and subscribe button. If you're an upcoming trader, let's build a community where we can come together, relate, talk about the market, because trading can be lonely, but it can also be fulfilling if you're disciplined that you do it right. I've made money on personal accounts from trading, but like I won't say it's consistent, but like making and then blowing